sorry. I didn't mean it. Look, Phyllis, did you hire somebody to take my place?
Don't worry about it, Johnny.
Because if you did, I tell you right now, cancel them. Because if I get through tonight, I'm not going on any vacation tomorrow or any other time. I'm not going on vacation.
Don't be a fool, Johnny. Do you want to have a nervous breakdown?
Would you really care, huh?
There is something the matter with you, Johnny. Something serious.
No, Phyllis. Nothing that you can't cure. I'll see you later.
Hello. Yes, this is Miss Wood. Oh, yes, you may allow Mr. Corday to come in. And Henry, would you ask him to come in the back way and wait for me in my office, please? Thank you.
Who was that, Miss Wood?
It was a business acquaintance.
You told the guard downstairs to allow someone to enter this building. Now, if I'm to perform my assignment adequately, if I'm to protect Johnny, I must know who it is.
It has nothing to do with your assignment, Dr. Hyatt.
That is for me to decide.
Hello. Yes, just a moment, please.
Thank you. Hello?
Hello, Carl. Don. I've been trying to call Bill Starr's wife in L.A. She's the only source we have who might know where he is.
You having trouble?
Well, I get no answer.
All right, Lou, go ahead, try it.
Just a minute, Carl.
I'm here, and I'll be here all night. You just go ahead and try. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Lou Lewis. You remember him? He used to play the trumpet here. It seems like the whole town wants to get me.
Carl, what's going on with Johnny?
I mean, like, what do I need Lou for and his whole band when I could do the job maybe just as well or better?
Don, what's your number? I'll call you right back.
Here, let me show you. Get the green pills, the green pills. Put me on, put me on. Wait a minute. The next musical note you will hear, the world will be exactly 2:30 a.m. our time. Okay. Hey, wait a minute. Hey, no. Hey, wait a minute. You gave me the wrong pill. You gave me the wrong pill.
Before, Dr. Hyatt, Johnny's been practically living in this office for over 2 weeks now. He's been afraid to go out.
Well, it appears that his fear is not without justification.
I gave him the green pills, Doctor. It was time for the green ones.
Ben, you'd better go out and play some records.
He's not one of Johnny's greatest fans, is he?
I never asked him. How is he?
Well, his pulse is a little fast, but nothing to be concerned about.
What do you think it was?
I don't know. Would you just keep an eye on him for a moment while I examine these pills? What happened before to make Johnny collapse like that?
I don't know, Dr. Hyatt. But I gave him the right pill, I swear.
Well, never mind the pills. Who called him on the phone?
Well, that was Lou Lewis. He leads the jazz combo that used to work the show. He plays trumpet.
Was there any friction between them?
Johnny fired them. He said, why hire a band when he can play all the instruments himself? He can. But you know how you'd feel if you were a musician and that happened to you.
Yes, I can imagine.